Are you currently looking to list your property, but you're wondering what you may need to fix or how much renovations you should do before you list? In today's market, many sellers wonder how much work they should do before listing, and is it worth it? Hi, I'm Carrie Tanner, realtor with At Coastal Realty. The answer to this question is yes and no, depending on what your personal goal is. In today's market, increased inventory has given buyers more options than previous years. This means as a homeowner, you may not be able to ignore some updates or repairs that may not have been necessary or that could have been overlooked in previous months. But if your goal is to sell quickly, then the key is just to price the home based on the current condition. In a recent article from Realtor.com, to stand out in today's market, sellers should make their home attractive to buyers, which usually means some selective updates. However, since we are still in a seller's market, renovating a few key areas in your home may just be enough to make your house stand out from the competition. And you will also need to consider your return on investment. According to the 2022 Remodeling Impact Report from the National Association of Realtors, hardwood flooring and refinishing and putting in new hardwood floors has had the most significant value in today's market. Also, what's just as important is to make sure your real estate agent knows of any upgrades you've previously done. This way, they can be properly marketed to make buyers aware of your features and improvements. Finally, the best recommendation is to spend your money wisely by consulting with a professional agent to see where the best focus should be. I have options available where the updates can be paid at closing as well. Feel free to reach out to my team and I so that we can go over the best strategy of renovations to optimize the sale of your home and give you the best return on your investment. I'm Carrie Tanner, the key to unlocking your real estate dreams.